Hi, I'm Terri Berry, and this is video 3 for my open medical case study with my model Tommy. She is 58 years old, has dry skin, is a Fitzpatrick 3. Her baseline readings showed low surface hydration at 23% and reduced elasticity in key zones, which tells me the barrier is underperforming and the dermal support matrix is declining. This treatment will focus on reestablishing a functional hydrated barrier, normalizing pH, and restoring the acid mantle to reduce transepidermal water loss so her skin can safely accept corrective actives in the future. For this treatment, I began with a double cleanse using a milky cleanser to remove surface debris and buildup without stripping lipids. This milky cleanser has the following: silk proteins form a breathable film to reduce water loss. Rice bran oil supports the lipid barrier with antioxidant protection, and hydrolyzed wheat protein helps improve surface hydration and texture. Next, I applied an AHA serum, a blend of glycolic, lactic, citric, and malic acids, kept in a functional pH range of 3.5 to 4. This gently loosens compact corneocyte bonding to smooth out texture and enhance product penetration. I then followed with a skin primer using antioxidant-rich botanicals to help defend against oxidative stress and support barrier readiness. Next, a lifting and lift serum was applied. It contains agraline to target expression line mechanics. I then applied a mask which focused on microcirculation support and microbiome-friendly barrier defenses. After the mask processed, I removed it and followed with another application of skin primer. I then finished with a targeted eye cream, then a nourishing moisturizer. I finished up with an application of broad spectrum SPF 45.